here I am again, ready to go, being a hero. Customer said, hey man, my tractor don't want to turn on. Now I know for sure battery don't need junk. Battery's okay. But let me show you what's up. Nothing really happens. Got the clutch on the left side, brakes put in, parking brake. Has to be something to do with the front and back lever right here. I think there's some type of switch under there, because watch. Nothing happens when you twist the key. Get it nice and warmed up. Look, no type of action. It's not good. And well, there ain't no way of me pushing this shit up the trailer. So, what I'm gonna do is look for the damn starter. I'm gonna try and jump this girl. Right here. Let me turn on my flat. So here's the starter. Okay, yeah, here's the terminal. Let me show you. This terminal right here. Take off this little switch. Unplug that. There's this nut right here. And I'm gonna see what's up. That's the only thing I can think of right now. I'm gonna use this jump starter. And I'm gonna hook it up to that. I'm trying to move quick too, because damn, it's cold as hell out here. It's fucking 20 degrees out. For some of y'all, I can already hear y'all talking shit. I don't give a fuck. It's cold. Hooked up right. This lights up red. Let me make sure the key's on. I want to double check all this stuff is on neutral. Next thing you know, this fucking tractor runs me over. Wouldn't that be a shitty death? Yeah, ready to go. Got fucking killed by a Kubota tractor. It's gonna be hard for me to hold in the clutch and hit that switch at the same time. Put the phone right there. I got the switch right here, the clutch. I'm about to push that in. I'm gonna push it in and see if we get some action here. Hopefully nothing blows up. All right, double checking everything. Ready, set, go. It's fucking spinning. Before it wasn't doing anything. Hold on. All right, here I go, headed for part 2. Holding in the clutch. Have to let it cool down. Here we go for part 3. Clutch. I think I blew this shit up. I feel slow as heck right now. I forgot that there's a sensor on the seat, so I was supposed to be sitting on it or at least having some type of pressure on it. So right now my heavy ass is on it. Holding in the clutch. Part 4 I think we are on. All right, let's do this. Key on. All right, so here's what we got going now. Since I didn't bring no battery pack, because I didn't know that the battery was gonna be dead. I should have thought about it. You know, I guess this tractor's been sitting here for quite a while. The battery's weak. So, look what I did. A battery pack, so I had to pull in the truck. And hopefully I can work some magic here. Instead of me going all the way back to the shop, getting a battery pack. I mean, I'm all the way out here on car lock. That's just too much work. So, what is this, part 5? Let's see what we got. All right, I'm ready to test this shit out. Because damn, it's cold as fuck. All right, here we go. All right. God damn. Yeah, you see? Yeah. She going now. Now we got something. Oh shit. I got off the damn seat. What? Let me see this. weight on there. That way that seat switch can stay pressed down. We're about to unplug this stuff.